Hi, and welcome to another instant model video where we're looking at real-world problems that can be solved by machine learning and how to quickly get production-ready model using PerceptiLabs. Today we'll be looking at pistons, for example for air conditioners, and how to do quality recognition on them. By the end, we'll have a model which can perfectly recognize defects in these pistons. It takes just about 2 minutes to build, train, and test that model. So stay tuned and let's get to it. Let's start by looking at the data. As you can see, we have 3 different folders, each corresponding to a different class. The first one are the pistons which are broken, shaped out, or fallen. The second one are the pistons which are oily, greasy, or rust-stained. And the third one is the one without any defects at all. As usual, we then take these and place them in a CSV file, making it look something like this, where we have the images over to the left and the classes over to the right. If you're interested in trying this dataset, you can find it over at Kaggle, and we'll have the link down below in the description. Okay, so let's now build the model. First thing we do is to load the data into PerceptiLabs. Then, as usual, we define the data. We want images to go into the model, and we want the categories to be our targets. We then reshape the data to make sure everything is 80 times 80. For this one, we're going to use a convolutional neural network without any pre-trained models. Make sure to have softmax on the last layer. And then we're ready to start training. We'll train it for about 15 epochs and see how that goes. As you can see, it trains a lot faster now that we're using no pre-trained models. And it's already done. Looking at the statistics, we can see we should have 100% accuracy. We'll see how that works for test as well. And here it classifies everything correctly. All the zeros as zeros, all the ones as ones, and all the twos as twos. Let's go to the test and see how it works there. Looking at the testing data, we can see that it classifies everything correctly here as well. Confusion matrix can clearly tell that all the classes, there's no misclassification. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to read more about this use case, we have a short blog link below that you can check out and follow along with. Don't forget to subscribe and watch more instant model videos. Thank you for watching.